Hello, welcome to my presentation. Um, my name is Sele 17. My presentation today is on atomic structure and bonding. In today's presentation, we are going to discuss scenario 3 and 4. Atmospheric ion are electrical charged particles which occur naturally in atmosphere. They are formed in the upper atmosphere layer, mainly because of the action of ultraviolet from the sun, as well as in the lower atmosphere layers as a result of radioactive radiation and cosmic ray. This causes ionization of natural molecules or atom. Because ions are formed, these ions almost instantaneously combine to form molecules which bond. Ionic are defined as any atom or category of atom that has one or more positive or negative electrical charges. The difference between atom and ions are that atoms contain a similar number of protons and electrons. In contrast, an ion may have more than the other. Metal ion loses electrons from their highest energy level, resulting in being more proton than electron, and the ion become negatively charged. These are referred to as cation. Non-metal ions gain electrons from the other atom, resulting in being more electron than proton, and the ion becomes negatively charged, and this is known as anion. There are two types of atomic bonds: ionic and covalent bonds. Ionic bonds are links caused by electrostatic attraction between two positive charged ions. The bond from which valence electron of one atom is permanently transferred to the other atom, leaving one positive charged cation and one negatively charged anion. This ionic bonding results in ionic compound. With a good example of this compound between non-metal and alkaline and non-alkaline earth metal. Sodium has electronic configuration of S122, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Chloride has an electronic configuration of S1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Example of this is sodium loses an electron and become positively charged, and the chlorine gain an electron to become negatively charged. A polymer is a substance which has a molecule structure comprising of a large number of identical molecule covalent bonds together to form a long chain structure. Many synthetic organic materials are polymers such as nylon, polythene, and Kevlar. Bond form when two non-metal substances share pair. Factors that influence types of covalent bonds. According to the number of shared electron pair and bond occur between two atoms. These are types of covalent bonds: single covalent bond, double covalent bonds, and triple covalent bond. A single covalent bond occurs when one pair of electrons is shared by two atoms. Single bonds are often sigma bonds, which are formed by the head-to-head overlap of the s and 1p orbital. Double covalent bond is chemical bond where two electron pairs are shared between atoms. This bond has 4 bonding electrons as opposed to just two. Triple bonds, covalent bonds, have 3 electron pairs, 6 electrons in total, being shared between two atoms. One of the electron pair is sigma bond, sitting where the two nuclear join, and the other two pair are pi bond, sitting parallel to one another on either side of the link between the two atoms. The dots and cross diagram represent transfer from the outer shell of the atom during the chemical reaction. Transfer from chemical reaction. The outer shell of atom is represented by a circle, which covalent bond forming where the circle overlap. Electrons from atom are represented as dots, and electrons from the other as cross. Simple diatomic molecule with an atomic number of 1. It is the highest element of the most abundant chemical, has a low melting and boiling point, has 1 valence electron. Hydrogen atom drill one another valence energy level, and the pair of electrons are shared between the two atoms, creating a single covalent bond. Ammonia is a water-soluble molecule, dissolving water to form weak alkaline, has an atomic mass of 14 AMU. Ammonia is made of 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. Nitrogen shared 1 electron with each of the hydrogen atom. Composed of the carbon atom of 4 hydrogen atom. Methane is main component of natural gas. Is a valence source of fuel, but is it's difficult to trap or contain. Is a tetrahedral molecule with a central atom of substituent at each corner of the hadron. Water is an ionic compound that composes most of the Earth's atmosphere and fluid. Water exists on Earth in all 3 states: liquid, solid, and gas. Water is made of oxygen molecule and 2 hydrogen molecules. The oxygen atom has naturally of the electron, sharing 1 with the hydrogen atom. The other electron within it is valence shell. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.